What's happening, gang? SDJB here with another episode of Cheleo Power. Real hustle for investing, especially in rough times like this. Anyways, I'm trying to make a quick video on SQ and how we made 360% on a swing. It was a probably like 2-month swing. So yeah, guys, look at this. When we are talking about support and resistance for a full year, SQ was trading in a channel. Look, it went up, it rejected, then down, then right here from previous support, then up, then down. Look at here, same level, then it went down, same zone. Remember, it's not a specific price but a zone. Support, resistance for a full year, guys. And again, support, resistance. So what do you think it's gonna do up here? We don't know. So at that point, you're looking if it breaks, and then if it confirms this move, but it did not. As you can see, it did not. It went up, it rejected it, tried to come back up, and it stayed below that. So what? Based on the history we have from here and back then, I just didn't want to show it. What do you think it's going to do? It'll go right back down. But something to keep in mind is this was a big drop of the SPY, the market as a whole, back in March. So everything tanked. But when we played this, once again, it was, now that it's below the support area here and here and here, you're looking for that support area to be cracked, and that's what it did right here. And it went all the way up again. Here we have this support, multi-month resistance. It cracked. They try to flush it once again, and guess what? Once it's right here, this is the weekly chart. So after several days of confirmation of this new support, that's when you buy. So another buy point right here, buy point right here, and then confirmation up. It came back down. It confirmed. You see how it stayed above this new support? So old resistance, which is this, becomes the new support now. So if that's true, this is where you load up the truck, buy heavy. And that's what we did. We bought here and we announced it back again throughout the way, but I'm sure this was another buy point, and boom, exploded. That being said, here you have the 10 SMA, and there is a big gap. So this is due for a pullback, probably closer to the hundreds, hopefully a base, and then resume the uptrend. That allows the 10 SMA to catch up. As you can see right now, is way extended from the SMA, and that I'm sure, almost positive, that this is going to be a drop. This is going to give us a drop anytime soon now. So if we look at the day, we are talking about Specifically, where did we buy and sell? So as an example, what we presented, it went down on March. It came right back up to the new resistance, which used to be the old support, and it rejected, went back down, then back up, higher highs. As you can see, that base confirmation right there by the resistance, it was cracked. Then it confirmed the uptrend. It went up a little bit. As you can see, it came back down to the 60. That's when we loaded heavy. Again, announced. Hold it. Posted it on Twitter in the chat. And the rest is history. Support, resistance. As you can see, volume was shrinking. Then volume came back with...
It's mommy.
1 second, buddy.
It's mommy.
1 second, buddy.
Where is mom?
It was up. Continued to go back up. It went up to the resistance. It broke that resistance. It went up to the resistance. It broke that resistance. As you can see, it retested back down to the 83s, 80s. And then with volume, every time it cracks something, you can see the volume shrinking and then a pop. And that's the case right here. So on this last run, the volume was shrinking. And as you can see, it came back up and boom, exploded to the 116, 115 today. And we almost closed at 400%. From that swing of March, probably like 4 to 8 week swing. We were trading it as we went up and down, but keeping our core position long, which is the leaps for 2022. That being said, as I said, the 10 SMA, it's far away. So this is a time to consider taking some profits, if not all, and waiting for it to come back down to this 105 support back again. So that's all, guys. If you made it to this this far, hit the like button, share this video, support the channel by, let's cheat that YouTube algorithm and show some love. So if you dislike it, click the dislike button, leave me a comment, and I'll improve next time as we go. Stay green and peace out, guys.